How to connect n8n with Microsoft Excel. To do that, first head over right here into your actual n8n workflow and click onto this plus icon that will appear into this part. Click onto this search node and you can try searching right here for Microsoft. So you can just search for Microsoft Excel. Here it is right here. Just choose right here the action that you want added. So on my case, let's head over and choose right here this options for updating a sheet. Now, from in there to connect them, click on the select credential, click on create new, and in here you can see this. Click on this connect my account, and then it will direct you right here into this new tab wherein you'll be asked to log in into your Microsoft Online account. Once you're logged in, you should be able to just use this right here. And here we have our account. Just edit and configure right here the parameters that you want. Just choose the workbook as well as the sheet that you want it to edit. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.